If you are looking for vehicle frame straightening near the Portage Park neighborhood of Chicago, you have come to the right place. B&L Automotive Repairs, we specialize in realigning bent, twisted, or otherwise misshapen vehicle frames. Our skilled technicians use advanced technology and methods to accurately measure and restore your vehicle's frame to its original specifications. This process ensures that your vehicle's structural integrity and safety are fully restored. Trust B&L Automotive Repairs for all your vehicle frame straightening needs. Call us today to schedule a repair estimate